I'm new to this whole YouTube game. If you're watching this, it's November 16th, 2018 when I'm filming this. And to start a YouTube channel is pretty daunting, and it's not something I ever thought I would do. It's probably a lot of people. And then things happen, revelations happen, soul urgings happen, and somehow in this world it makes sense to get a camera and make your voice heard. And so I'm finding myself in this position, and it's daunting because a lot of times I'm sitting here staring at the camera thinking, I'm talking to myself. Who's watching? Who's listening? Who cares? And it's a vulnerable and uncomfortable position. I've been doing it for a few months now, and I hit a point where I just felt really, just a couple days ago, I was doing research about how to build your channel and all this stuff, and I got overwhelmed. And I started to get down on myself and feel like, who do I think I am? Am I being a total fool? Am I an idiot for thinking that I can do this and make anything of this? And, you know, typical negative self-talk that happens when you come up against a wall on anything you're trying to do. And funny, I had just come across this information about needing a witness, and I woke up yesterday morning to my best friend Jackie's text saying, oh my gosh, I haven't caught up on your videos lately, but I just went and watched like a bunch of them, and she gave me all this positive feedback, totally unsolicited, totally unsuspected, unexpected, I mean. And she was like, just so positive, like, oh, I loved this video and this helped me so much, and this, and totally genuine. And just knowing that Jackie saw the videos and it helped her, and she watched them all the way through, and she didn't find them boring, and it meant something to her, completely filled me with an energy and a new life to continue on doing this. And she had no idea, at least consciously, that that's where I was and where I was feeling. And I felt so overjoyed and so grateful to her and for her, because I thought that is the power of having a witness. One person. There's a billion people out there on YouTube who may never see my videos or ever care, but I realize if just Jackie is enjoying my videos, then it's worth it. Then it's enough for me. It makes me feel good. And that is the power of a witness, of a truly good friend, of being seen, being heard. So thank you, Jackie. I love you. And I hope that this message, for anybody that it reaches, that you have that. And if not, if you understand the importance of finding that in your life, whoever your witness may be or witnesses. I've always had like one or two close friends. That's kind of how I am, but maybe it's 5 close friends, 10 close friends, whatever, that doesn't matter. It's the being seen and the being heard, which is why I think YouTube and this whole thing has become so big. You know, my background is in acting, and that was a big revelation for me when I made the leap from not acting anymore, is that my drive to be an actor, to be an artist, was really about being seen and being heard, trying to make sense of all these things that I felt and thought and have them have purpose. And this is so true for so many artists, because people who seek to be an artist, who have that artist soul, are often some of the most vulnerable, sensitive people here on this planet, and then often get thrust into a business that is so, can be so cutthroat and harsh and dismissive and complicated and, you know, dysfunctional. And that was definitely my experience, and it almost crushed me. It really almost did, but I say almost, it didn't. And that's when I realized that what I was really seeking was a greater healing. So being seen, being heard, having a witness is healing. There's so much power in it, just to feel that what you feel and what you think has a place, and that it's important, that you are not nothing, that there isn't, that you are here for a reason. And it's not about being famous. You may never have millions of fans or have your picture plastered all over billboards, and nor do you necessarily want that. But a lot of us, I think that we want that, and that's recognition. But it can be just that soulful, meaningful connection between you and a best friend. And that could be all you need to propel you forward on your path, knowing that you have purpose and reason. So that is the power and the beauty of having a witness. And I just wanted to share that today. So I hope that this is a helpful message to you and a reminder. And I want to create this channel also as part of creating a community. I know it's not face-to-face, it's not quite the same thing, but leave comments. I'm happy to respond and create a community and feel that you have a place to be witnessed. So if you haven't had a chance, please click the link for my free meditation MP3. It's to help expand your awareness and clear energetic blocks. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't liked and subscribed, please do hit the bell notification so that will alert you anytime I have a new video. And I'm so happy that you're here. And until next time, be well.